This is a tutorial for mixed pass back carry with candy cane chest belt and with 2 leg passes. You can use size 2 wrap in this carry, but I love to use this size 5 because I love to show those gorgeous tails. So you took about meter of the other tail and grab child with you. You have the short tail over your shoulder and the long tail under child's leg. It is best if you can have with size 5 wrap the middle marker came on your other shoulder like this and over your shoulder and under child's other leg. Then twist, twist, twist. And so you can see the gorgeous tails and a beautiful, easygoing and comfy carry. Thank you.